Hi Chantel, my name is Don Chater. I live in the Kenosha area in Bristol. I put this ad out there to help any businesses with a website. Amber Black tagged you here, so just following. I see you're the manager, beauty and wellness center, and so that's awesome. You got a Facebook page. I found your website on here, and so a couple of things to help you out here. Google index your website, so that's awesome. Google knows you exist. And let's see, the first thing I would say is get over 1,000 words of content on your front page here. And that could just be describing the services, because that's ultimately what the Google robots are. They're scrubbing your website and they're trying to rank your website based on the content. And so that's one thing. So 1,000 words of content. Backlinks, your competitors are in the 20-some backlinks. And so 3 is good. They're actually really hard to get. You got to work to get them and it's pretty much other websites linking to you. And the more popular the websites, the better. So it's hard to get really good ones. But like going on your favorite blogs and forums and just have your website in those, sometimes they ask you for that. Some other ways are to buy them. But let's see. So backlinks, content, and citations is really important. Citation is your name, phone number, and address, and that being plastered all over the internet. I used a little tool here, and it looks like you already have 17 citation sources. So you got a school, so those are really hard to get. Yeah, Find Health Clinics, Fabiz. I don't have an account, so I don't know. Obviously, it's probably Facebook. I think you got a Groupon one, Vimeo, Facebook, Instagram. There's other ones like Thumbtack and Angie's List. If you're not already on those are some free ones. Your competitors they're in the 20s and 30s, so you're not too far away from catching up and passing them. Ultimately, what these citations will do for you. Let's see, I'll go to let's see. So when you do a Google search, getting lost here on my screen, that's really cool. Yeah, so like Spa Kenosha, you got BodyWise. I don't see your website. I saw your, you did have a dot here somewhere, but it was under the name of Amber Black and not your business name. So maybe Nail Salon Kenosha. These types of searches, you should be up in here. The citations is how you get into here, how you get trust from Google. Your name, address, phone number has to be plastered all over the internet, and it can't say like Amber Black, and I think it was a different phone number somewhere. I kind of lost track of it now. Yeah, I don't see. Maybe if I typed in Amber Black. Yeah, massage therapist, and now you're popping up on the Google map, and so this really should be your business name, beauty and wellness. So now Google's confused, but you do have this as it's like a verified business if you go on Google My Business, or it's business.google.com, I think, and change the name, change it to your real phone number. It's 2607. Yeah, that's a different phone number. And then this is really good though. Yeah, you got pictures. I thought you had reviews somewhere. Okay. So there's some interesting stuff about Amber Black. I'll just get rid of all that. Let's see. So this is about your business, and this is what I'm recording on. So if I go to this tool, alrighty, this is where everything comes together. So if I go to organic keywords, and this is what Google sees you. So you're a beauty and wellness center, spa in Kenosha, spas in Kenosha. Your position is 75, so that's like page 7. If someone types in spa in Kenosha or spas in Kenosha, these are money keywords right here. You're the 7th page. And let's see, so beauty and wellness center. I mean, this is national. You're competing against people all over the nation with this keyword. And then, but like spa in Kenosha, Wisconsin, it's an easy keyword difficulty. There's 70 people per month average. And so here we got Yelp, Gemini, Spa, Bodywise is always up there. And then here's some more. So those are, I just want to keep this short. I'm going way too long. So 1,000 words, more backlinks, and citations. And you should be able to get into the top 3 of the, so like I'm on Google here, so type in massage Kenosha. The citations would get you on the map in this 3-pack, and then the backlinks is what gets you into the organic. So those are some ideas. I do this for a living, so feel free to reach out to me. I can probably get you in 90 days up, and I can just Google know exactly who you are, what you do, and so let me know if I can be of any help, answer any questions. Feel free to email me back. I'm gonna message you on Facebook here. Feel free to befriend me. I'm a local, just regular guy here, so just wanted to hope you have a good day, and thanks for listening this far.